I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com, and I recently had a chance to spend several weeks with the LG V60 ThinQ 5G dual screen smartphone. It's got a ton of cool features and amazing options, but using them might not be intuitive. So I'm sharing some quick tutorials and how-tos on some of the V60's coolest features. One of the big things LG is touting about this phone is the video capabilities. This is one of the first phones to have 8K video recording, and that's while we're still waiting for 4K on some other phones. Shooting 8K video is easy. In video mode, tap the third icon from the left to change from Full HD, which is the default, to 4K or ultra high resolution 8K. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please hit that like button and give me a sub, because it does help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from. You can read more tips and tricks for the V60 on the blog at TechGadgetsCanada.com. Until the next time, I'm Erin. You can find me on Twitter or Instagram. I'm at ErinLYYC. You can also always catch me at Facebook.com/TechGadgetsCanada. Thanks for watching.